Oh, super fun. Wow, you got super fun. You're level 10, Eric. Oh, you got super fun. Thank you so much, Eric. Ahmed. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, guys, for Robson. Ha ha ha. Boy. Comparison to... Yes, mamaya pa ako matutulog. Thank you for the ice cream, yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.